A Snap-on 1/2-inch drive ratchet retails at $200 to $250. A Tecton 1/2-inch drive ratchet, made in Michigan from comparable chrome vanadium steel to comparable ANSI specifications, retails at $40. The price differential between the two tools is 400 to 500%. The construction differential in independent destructive testing is 5 to 15%. The steel alloy is comparable. The hardening process is comparable. The chrome plating thickness is comparable. The ratcheting mechanism on the Tecton has more positions per revolution than the standard Snap-on. The difference is not the tool. The difference is the distribution model. Snap-on sells through a truck-based franchise system. Each franchise truck carries inventory worth $250,000 to $400,000 and visits a network of mechanic shops on a fixed weekly route. The cost of that truck, financing, fuel, the franchisee's livelihood, the regional sales infrastructure, is priced into the tool. The Snap-on price is not what the tool costs to produce. It is what the tool costs to produce plus what it costs to bring it to a mechanic's shop on a Tuesday afternoon. 5 brands deliver Snap-on steel quality without the truck-based distribution premium attached. By the end of this, you will know which 5. Brand 1. Tecton. Tecton is headquartered in Grand Rapids, Michigan. The company has manufactured hand tools in the United States since 1995. The product line is engineered to ANSI B 107 specifications, the same American national standard that Snap-on manufactures to. The Tecton 1/2-inch drive 90 tooth ratchet retails at $30 to $40. The construction is forged chrome vanadium steel with a chrome-plated finish, a 90-tooth gear ratcheting mechanism, and a 4-degree arc swing. The Snap-on equivalent, the FH80 ratchet, uses an 80-tooth mechanism with a 4.5-degree arc swing and retails at $200 to $250. The Tecton mechanism has more positions per revolution than the Snap-on. The arc swing is narrower. The torque rating is comparable. The chrome vanadium steel is sourced from American mills supplying multiple professional brands. Tecton offers a lifetime replacement warranty enforceable directly through the company. Tools sent in for replacement are returned within 7 to 10 business days. The warranty is not a marketing position, it is operational policy. This is a Michigan-made hand tool engineered to American standards at 1/5 of Snap-on pricing. Brand 2. Icon. Icon is Harbor Freight's premium hand tool brand. The line launched in 2019 with one explicit market position: compete directly with Snap-on on construction and price. Icon hand tools are manufactured in Taiwan at Tier 1 facilities, the same factories supplying Apex Tool Group, Sunex, and several private label runs for premium American brands. The Icon V-Series sockets use chrome vanadium steel forged and heat-treated to comparable ANSI specifications. Independent testing by Project Farm and Pro Tool Reviews placed Icon sockets within 5 to 10% of Snap-on torque failure thresholds in destructive testing. The Icon 1/2-inch drive professional ratchet retails at $50. The Snap-on equivalent retails at $200 to $250. The chrome plating thickness is comparable. The internal mechanism uses the same dual-pole architecture. Harbor Freight backs Icon with a lifetime warranty enforceable at any Harbor Freight retail location. Walk in, bring the broken tool, walk out with a new one. The warranty experience is structurally simpler than Snap-on's franchise-based exchange process. Brand 3. Gearwrench. Gearwrench is owned by Apex Tool Group, the same parent company as Crescent, Apex, Cleco, and Lufkin. The brand is positioned at the professional mechanic tier without the truck-based distribution structure of Snap-on. The Gearwrench 120 XP ratcheting mechanism, a 120-tooth, 3-degree arc swing ratchet, retails at $40 to $50. The Snap-on Dual 80 mechanism, 80 teeth, 4.5-degree arc, retails at $200 to $250. The 120 XP has more positions per revolution than the Snap-on Dual 80. The arc swing is significantly narrower. The chrome vanadium steel is comparable. Gearwrench manufactures in Taiwan at facilities that simultaneously produce private label runs for several professional brands. The component sourcing, the steel, the heat treatment, the chrome plating, is documented in third-party reviews as comparable to the Snap-on standard. The brand carries a lifetime warranty enforceable through Apex Tool Group's network of distributors. Brand 5. Capri Tools. Capri Tools was founded in Italy in 1973. The brand operates under an Italian design philosophy with manufacturing in Taiwan to JISB 4633 and ANS IB 107 specifications. The product is positioned at the professional mechanic tier with a price point below Gearwrench and Icon. The Capri Tools 1/2-inch drive 100-tooth ratchet retails at $35 to $45. The construction is chrome vanadium steel with a mirror chrome finish. The 100-tooth ratcheting mechanism produces a 3.6-degree arc swing. The Snap-on comparable mechanism produces a 4.5-degree arc swing at 5 times the price. The mirror chrome finish on Capri Tools is significantly thicker than industry standard plating, producing a corrosion resistance profile comparable to Snap-on's standard. The Italian design heritage is real. The company has been engineering tools for the European professional automotive market for more than 50 years. Capri Tools sells direct through online retail and through a small network of professional distributors. The brand carries a lifetime warranty enforceable directly through the company. 5 brands, 1 operating logic. Tecton produces Michigan-made hand tools engineered to ANSIB 107 specifications at 1/5 of Snap-on pricing. Icon manufactures in Taiwan at Tier 1 facilities with chrome vanadium steel and torque, ratings within 5 to 10% of Snap-on in destructive testing at 1/4 of the price. Gearwrench produces a 120-tooth ratcheting mechanism with a narrower arc swing than the Snap-on Dual 80 at 1/5 of the Snap-on price. Sunex manufactures chrome molybdenum impact sockets to the same ANSI specifications as Snap-on, sourced from the same alloy category at 1/5 of the Snap-on price. Capri Tools produces an Italian-designed 100-tooth ratcheting mechanism with a thicker chrome finish than industry standard at 1/5 of the Snap-on price. The 5 brands worth your hand tool budget share one structural characteristic. They produce tools to the same American national standards from comparable steel alloys with comparable manufacturing tolerances, sold without the truck-based franchise distribution that funds the Snap-on price point. The franchise truck visiting your mechanic shop on a Tuesday afternoon costs money. The financing on the franchise costs money. The regional sales infrastructure costs money. None of that is priced into the tool you buy from these 5 brands. The steel is the same. The standards are the same. The price is 1/5. You can buy the franchise truck visit at $200 per ratchet. You can buy the ratchet at $40. The bolt comes loose either way.